This is an instructional video on how to make an online payment for Marsh Valley Storage. First thing you'll want to do is you'll want to go to axiom-properties.com, AXIOM-properties.com. This is what it'll look like. You'll come up to tenants. You go down to tenant web access, or you can go to, well, let's just go to tenant web access. It's important to note that even though your property is in Idaho, because this is an outside service, not really serviced by Axiom Properties, you'll need to come down to business bookkeeping to make your payment. Once there, you'll enter you'll probably click sign up for your first time. You notice that the location still needs to be business bookkeeping, and then Rent Manager will give you, or Terry Ann will give you a account number that you need to enter, and then an email and phone number is also going to be required for verification of payments as well. So if you'll enter those, once you've done that, this will be the sign-in screen going forward, and then when I hit login, it'll send you an email. You'll have to verify the email before you can do that. This is obviously a fake account. There's no Chuck Bitten, and we do not have $120 million in charges. To view any charges that were on your account, you can come in here and you can view all past rent charges and when they've been posted, etc., etc. And then if you want to make a payment, then I can either come here and I can select the amount, say I want to make a $55 payment, and I want it to pull out of my checking or savings account. When I hit that payment, it's going to ask me to fill out routing number and account number, so make sure that you have a copy of a check or something that's handy or from your bank account so you can fill that in, and then the rest is just your billing address. When you do an ACH or electronic check payment, notice that the convenience fee is $0. If I come down here and I need to pay by a credit card, Visa does have what's called a merchant account fee that they charge. And so I can put in my credit card number here with that information, but notice that it's going to charge me a convenience fee, which is 4% of the total charge, which is because that's what we're also being charged on the back end to make some of these merchant account transactions is a convenience fee as well. So if you'll, so just please note that there is a difference between the two. One is free and one's not too expensive, but it is a convenience fee to pay with a credit or debit card with a Visa, MasterCard, or American Express transaction amount. Lastly, you can come up here, you can look at transactions, you can see payments that you've made on your account. You can make a payment. I don't know how full anything else will be. If she's going to have, I don't think we'll have anything else on there where it's not managed by Axiom Properties, but this is an easy way for you to verify your account. If you have any questions, give Terry Ann a call, and you should have that contact information already. Thanks. Lastly, and if you prefer to always know that you're going to stay up on your payments and have money in your account on a recurring basis, the best way to do it is just to fill out the recurring ACH payment authorization that was sent to you, this form from Ron or Terry Ann, and fill that out, and then we can plug that information in and automatically withdraw that your rental amount or your balance amount each month from your account. And then you don't have to stress about it, worry about it, do anything, and it will just happen. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, ask Terry Ann or Ron. Thanks.